Welcome back everyone. Not much to show in this video because I'm still doing the bodywork, which is taking forever, but I'm actually still on the same side that I was on because I keep being too picky. But now I am getting somewhere, so I'm just going to spin the camera around and show you what I've been doing. Right, so I've been gradually going around the back, which I think I was last time, but still need a little bit more in there. But I have finally got all of this side flatted out, so I'm going to re-epoxy this now, which will then obviously cover up the bare steel, because I've still got the other side to do and I don't want to get any flash rusting or anything. But yeah, I've drilled all the holes for the trim to go back on afterwards, so you can actually see from that that the amount of filler in it is very minimal. A little bit more on that one. But yeah, once I get the epoxy on, because obviously I can still fill over the top of that if there is any bits I've missed, which there probably is, but it'd be easier to see them anyway. Right, so I think I'll set the camera up and I'll just film myself doing that. I'm just trying to get the last dregs out of that tin of epoxy, which is the HB body one, as before. Yeah, right, let's get this recoated. Alright, so I've just degreased all of that. I'm not going all the way around everywhere. I'm just basically going over the bits with the filler and the bare metal, just to keep the flash rusting at bay. Right, let's do it. Right, so that was really handy. So I had a problem with my spray gun, and then I come back to say as much, and I forgot to hit record. So I've just given it a coat of epoxy. It does look nice and straight. I'm over the moon with it, but I'll give it another coat in a minute. I'll try and remember to hit record this time. But yeah, it's looking a lot better. Right, go for coat number 2 now. Hopefully the phone don't go off this time. Right, so that's about it for now. I don't know whether you can see, but all of that's in epoxy now. All looking pretty straight. I need to do a little bit more there, but on the whole, the rear quarter's pretty straight now. Well, not pretty straight, it is straight. Obviously, I still need to block it, and it's still got to be putting the high build primer yet as well. But I should do the whole car in high build in one go. This is just to keep everything at bay. See, there's a little bit there as well. Not that it would matter because it would be beyond the strip when we eventually get there, but yeah, Idell's job trying to get this line. That's why it's took me so long on this. So I think either where they welded it or where I re-welded that lower quarter panel, it did warp it, but hey ho, it's straight now. I'm over the moon with it, I am. In case you're interested, the new gun I bought was just 1.8, it's only one of the cheaper Devil Bliss ones, but I have bought another one. I have bought one of these to do my top coat with. I'm fed up of messing around with cheap guns. I also bought this Mercer paint pot system as well to make it easier to clean it up. So you just get rid of the liners after you've finished. I've got loads of them now, so I shouldn't have bothered. I just thought I'd use my old gun just to do that bit, but it's actually loads better using this gun because I'm running it at a much lower pressure, which means much less overspray, which is all good. So yeah, right, well, that's going to be it. So thanks for watching, and next time we'll continue with some more bodywork. We'll carry on with a quarter panel on that side. I've been doing it, but it's taking a while as well. But yeah, it's all good. Right, thanks for watching anyway, and we'll catch up with you guys soon. Cheers, bye.